Hi everyone, we just officially released the shadcn UI kit, and I'll just try to explain how that works, right? You can find the kit on Figma community, so essentially you would click open in Figma and put it on your account. So I'll just put on Obra's account here the community file. And if you look inside of that kit, you will see that it has like a bunch of components. Like I'm removing the Figma UI now, and there is documentation, there is the styles, there's all the components, and I'm going to zoom in on the button component. And what you will see is that we basically track the button from shadcn UI. So if I go to the button here, that's the button, and we recreate that button exactly inside of Figma with all its different states. So the button also has a secondary one and a destructive one and an outline one and a ghost one. And as you can see, we have all of those here. So moving on, it's good to know that besides all of the components, we also have two other files. And one of them is the Tailwind colors file. So if you find yourself missing some colors, the explanation is that we don't ship with all the Tailwind colors, but we only ship with neutral red and blue. And another thing is to be said is that we only ship with 39 icons. So if you would zoom into the icons, you would see we have some base icons, but we don't have all the icons. If you're looking for all the icons from Lucite, you can find this in another add-on. You can read the instructions of this add-on. Basically, what it comes down to is that you can copy all of this into your kit. We don't ship this by default because this makes your file very heavy. But if you want to do that, it's up to you. Or you can use Obra icons or some other icon kit and basically swap the vectors here and work from there. So the whole design of the Obra shadcn UI kit is that as a designer, you are free to still design with this kit. So you can still do your own thing. That's the idea. I'm going to stop here. This is the announcement, and we're very happy to ship this kit. Thank you, Marina, whose avatar is here, for aligning everything nicely. And we hope that this kit is like a nice present. After 6 months of Obra, we shipped this kit. It's a present to the community, but I think it's also a bit of promotion where we can show to people what we can do when it comes to UI. So enjoy, and we hope to get some community feedback.